We've just installed the 2009 to 2015 Lexus RX Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm going to show you quickly how to pair and set up CarPlay as well as your audio. On your Hamilton underlying operating system, open Settings, Phone Connection Settings, and make sure your Bluetooth status is turned on. If you want the device to auto-connect and open up CarPlay when you get in the car, turn on these settings, Auto Connection and Remember Device. Now pull out your iPhone, wait for the new Hamilton device to appear down at the bottom under Other Devices. It'll take just a minute the first time. When it appears, go ahead and click on it. A pairing code will pop up. It doesn't matter what it says. Click Pair. Allow to Contacts and Favorites. And connect to CarPlay. And just like that, wireless Apple CarPlay appears. I'm going to show you how to set up a couple quick things. If you don't like how zoomed out it is on iOS 26, come to Settings, Display, and turn off this Smart Display Zoom. This is how we have designed it to look. Touching the Hamilton button will bring you back to the Hamilton underlying interface, and touching this button will bring you back to CarPlay. As you can see, if we shift to reverse, the factory backup camera will appear, and all original factory controls work. On the 2012 to 2015 Lexus RX, that's the one that has the mouse that looks like this. There's no enter button on either side of the mouse on this vehicle. That's how you know it's a 12 to 15. You can use the mouse in CarPlay, and long holding the menu button will take you back to the original system where the mouse works as well. It's very important that you forget your phone from the original factory Bluetooth, and you need to set the audio to aux mode. You can see here, I'm going to set it to aux mode now. You want your phone to stream audio through to the Hamilton system, and we're going to play it via the aux line that we've captured behind the factory radio. To turn off your factory Bluetooth, you can come here to Setup, Bluetooth, Register Devices, and remove your devices. Then on your phone, forget the factory Lexus. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds will bring you back to CarPlay. We have the system in aux mode, and we're ready to play audio. Pushing the mode button on the steering wheel will also cycle through the audio modes. The car will generally stay in aux mode, but you could also have CarPlay showing while you listen to AM, FM, or XM radio. If you have any questions about this process, we have concierge-style tech support available at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We've designed this unit with top-of-the-line components to go the distance, and that's how we can back it with our 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. We're going to have a full overview video on our YouTube channel as well as an installation video. In the overview video, we'll walk you through the features of CarPlay as well as the underlying Hamilton operating system. For now, I'm Dave, and I'll see you in the next video.